What up, back in another drip video for y'all boys, you know what I'm saying? Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all some new pickups that I got from Hype Road in this red box. But before I show y'all what's in the red shoe box, I wanna show y'all the last two shoes that Hype Road sent me. If you don't know what Hype Road is a very affordable shoe website where they got the latest sneakers you can think of. They got the J's, Nike, Kobe's, Yeezy slides, all the Yeezy shoes. They even got some designer shoes if you're a hype beast type shit. They got all the J's from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way up to the 14s, bro. They're very affordable. They got discounts on their own, but also use my discount code GLOW for $15 off, man. Go do that. I'm gonna show y'all what's in this box first. Now, if you don't follow me on social media, follow me on social media because I be doing like unboxing videos of shoes and clothes. So go follow me on social media. Also follow Hype Road social media. They also be showcasing all the shoes they got on their social media feed and TikTok. So all their information will be in the link in the description, just like mine. But in this white shoe box, if you didn't watch the last video or follow me on social media, they sent your boy these OVO 8s. They sent your boy these OVO 8s type shit. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, they sent me these. What is April? They sent me these in March type shit. Overall, in total, they sent me about a cool, I want to say like 6 pairs of shoes so far. Their website is legit. They got everything that you need. Now, the next shoe box, you know, I say it's kind of dirty, but in this next shoe box, they had hooked me up with some Jordan Bred 11s type shit. Y'all already know 11s is one of my favorite pair of Jordans type shit. They go with any fit, jeans, joggers, track pants, fleece pants, anything, bro. Shorts, bro. They go with everything. So they had sent me these. I'm pretty sure they sent me some other 11s. I'm pretty sure they sent me a lot of stuff, bro. That's why you gotta go shop with them. They taking care of Big Hunter Glow. They gonna take care of you too. They got discount codes of their own on their website, and you can also use my discount code, bro. Now, this is what y'all came to see. This is why y'all clicked on the video. They just sent me these last week type shit. In this box, they had sent your boy the UNC to Chicago Fearless Jordan 1s. Now, these are my second pair of Jordan 1s in my Jordan collection, my shoe collection ever type shit. One thing I like about this shoe, I just like how it just look like. It's like, I don't know the material of this shit. I like how the light just beams off it. I just love that shit. You know what I'm saying? Now, some little history on this shoe. I think in 2009, Michael Jordan was inducted into the Basketball Hall of Fame. I believe he gave a speech, like a fearless speech. In his speech, I believe he said, "Limits like fear is just an illusion," type shit. And you know, based off the colorway of the shoe, you can tell like the little baby blue, sky blue, represents the UNC North Carolina college basketball, the school he went to, and the red represents, you know, the Chicago Bulls, where he got drafted to. So the shoe is really based off Jordan's journey in the NBA, well, from college to the NBA. I believe these shoes released 10 years after his speech. When I looked on the internet, the average resale price was like $331. I don't know if that's true or not. If you go on Hype Road, click the link in the description. They got some deals, man. You can use their discount they got on their website, or you can use my discount GLOW for $15 off. Go use that. Yeah, but I believe these came out November 2nd of 2019. But like, bro, these shoes raw as hell, bro. I ain't gonna care. I might have to rock these for the, well, you know, I don't celebrate pagan holidays, but I might rock these for the 4th of July. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? One thing I like about the shoe as well, inside the shoe, right? Hold on, I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm gonna try my best. But inside the shoe, it says fear type shit. It says fear. And one thing I like about this shoe, cause you know, I'm a very big like motivation type guy. I like motivation quotes. And when he said limits like fear, just an illusion, it's just an illusion, bro. You can't fear nothing in life. If you have fear in your life, whether it's like towards your dreams, career, family, no matter what, bro, you just killing yourself with that shit, bro. Having fear is like a negative thought. It's always positive thoughts, bro. Believe that you can do anything. If it is impossible, believe you can do the impossible. This right here is more than just a shoe. It represents his journey, but also to not have fear in life, bro. Chase your goals and dreams. You got the little fear tag right here. It also says on the little fear tag, I don't know, it says limits like fears are often just an illusion. It also came with like 3 different shoe cutter laces, but you know, I think the black goes with the shoe, you know what I'm saying? I might switch it up, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? They always send me different color shoelaces, but yeah, man, go on their website, link in the description, and go copy a pair of shoes, man. It could be Jordan 1s, 2s, Kobe's, Foam Posits, up-tempo Nikes, anything, bro. They got it all, bro. Go shop with them. But that's enough talking. I'm gonna show y'all what these shoes look like on feet. You can also watch the little unboxing video that I upload on my social media. Go follow me. I'm gonna have it right here on the side of the screen. Now, I am currently going somewhere today, so I decided to, you know, bust out a nice little fit. All right, I'm gonna give y'all boys a little vlog POV style type shit. But yeah, man, this is what they look like on feet. Don't mind my floor, it's kind of cracked up type shit. But this is what they look like on feet. I got on some PacSun track pants type shit. You know what I'm saying? They look good on feet, bro. You know what I'm saying? Jordan 1s always look good. G Fazos, Jordan 1s, any type of Jordan 1s, they look good, bro. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna talk y'all heads off in this video, bro. I just want to show y'all my new latest pickups, man. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, the shoes actually go good with the fit. You know what I'm saying? So I am busting the fit today. Don't play with me. I do need to go cop me some more hats, though, type shit. Need to go to, Lids or something, cop me a hat. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But that's it for the video, man. Do me a favor, click the link in the description. Go copy you a pair of shoes, bro. They shoes are affordable. They got the best shoes. All the shoes you can think of. No matter what brands, they got it on their website. And if they don't got it, they're going to have it. That's why you gotta follow them on social media. They post all the shoes they got on their stories and timeline posts. Follow them, all their social media handles gonna be in the link in the description. And follow your boy too, so you can be updated whenever I got some new heat, man. I do be dropping unboxing videos. I roll, y'all already know I love y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all dearest to my heart, bro. Y'all done hooked me up with so many pairs of shoes. Hooked my subscribers up with so many pairs of shoes. Y'all blessing our closet, blessing the shoe game, to be honest, in general. You know what I'm saying? High road, we appreciate y'all and we love y'all, man. I love y'all for sure. Glow them. Use my code GLOW for $15 off on your purchase. Bless your closet, bless your shoe game, and bless your style, man. You wanna get your shorty, that dream girl, that crush you want, you gotta look good, bro. Wait, what Deion say? Look good, what? Feel good, look good, feel good, play good. Something like that. He wasn't lying, bro. Go invest in yourself. You know what I'm saying? That's it for the video. If you're new to the channel, bro, hit that subscribe button. Follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Link in the description and right here on the screen. Smash that like button for your boy, because I know you enjoyed today's video, bro. Smash that like button. And I'll see y'all in the next video, man. I hope you have a peaceful day. Peace, pause night. Take yours out the bad part, because we don't do no more Netflix shit. But you got up at that. Tell us on jacuzzi, you dig? I love y'all boys. Yeah.